Hi guys, and welcome to Cooking by Kristen. So tonight I'm gonna make some shawarma chicken. So here I have about 8 cups of cut up chicken thighs. And to that I'm gonna add a cup of Greek yogurt. I'm just eyeballing it. A little bit of salt. A little black pepper. A little bit of garlic. About that much. All right. All of these spices. And these spices are going to be linked in the recipe right here in the caption of this video. All of the spices. All right, so my shawarma chicken's been hanging out for about 30 minutes. Just gonna spoon it out on there. Now I'm gonna bake it in my 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. All right, so my chicken just came out of the oven. Real quick, I'm gonna make a shawarma wrap. I'm gonna use a carb counter tortilla, 0 carbs. All right, so here is the wrap.